Hi, my name is Maggie Marr, and I am a USA Today bestselling author of over 20 books. I'm also the author of Books to Film, which is an author's guide, everything that authors need to know with regards to books to film and TV. I'm the founder of Maggie Marr Legal PC, which is a law firm devoted to creative entrepreneurs. So our tagline is create legal solutions for creative people. I want to talk about today some legal issues for authors that in my practice and then also being a published author myself, I've seen over time. So, authors know that as an author, you do one of the most brilliant things in the world. It's absolutely amazing. You create stories that travel through space and time to place words, pictures, and emotions into readers' minds. It is magic. It's brilliant. And that is where your sweet spot is in the creation of stories. But here's the thing. You are also an entrepreneur. You're a business owner. You're someone who is dedicated to the business of your intellectual property. Your business is the creation, management, and sale of intellectual property. And as most authors know, in the change of publishing from just traditional publishing to independent publishing, you've had to put on a lot more hats as a creative person. You've become an entrepreneur and business owner as well as a creator. This can feel like an uphill battle until you have that book or that series that launches and takes off. And what I want to do is I want to discuss today some of the legal issues that are both unique and not so unique to authors. Some of those issues that you're going to run into as your business continues to grow, business structures, contracts and agreements, negotiations, rights management, which is basically intellectual property portfolio diversification and management, brand assets, and then heir and asset management. So you as a creative person need to determine what is sort of the business formation or structure that you want to have. Do you want to be an LLC? Do you want to be a C Corp? Do you want to be an S Corp? You're going to want to speak to your accountant, CPA, or tax attorney about the tax repercussions of your choice, and then you will either form that structure yourself or you'll hire someone like me to do that structural formation for you. The other thing that you want to think about is that as a business person and an entrepreneur, you work with vendors, right? You have vendors that you work with. You may need co-author agreements. You may need agreements if you have an author who's writing in your world. Cover designer agreements, work for hire agreements, editor agreements, cover art and cover photo licensing or purchase agreements, personal assistant or virtual assistant agreements. Because it's such a personal business, you may want to also have a confidentiality agreement or a non-disclosure agreement. You will also need licensing agreements. If you are working as your own publishing entity and you're asking other authors to license to you as a publisher things that they have created. So the work for hire agreement is particularly important. I find that a lot of authors don't necessarily paper the deal for work for hire, and I would say that you can run into a lot of copyright challenges later on if you don't have your work for hire agreement structured appropriately. So as I said, these are some of the legal issues that are really important to authors as they move from the beginning stages of their business to sort of this entrepreneurial endeavor that is really supporting their entire life. Of course, our firm does all of these things for authors, and we're always available to be helpful or to answer any sort of questions. You can reach out to me at maggie@maggiemarlegal.com or drop a question beneath the video, and we're happy to answer here. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, could you please like it? I would really appreciate it. And then if you would also subscribe to our channel, we'll keep doing videos like this as well as other important sort of topics, both legal and filmic and episodic as far as TV is concerned, because books to film is a huge part of our practice. Thank you so much for taking this time and spending this time with us. All right, have a great day.